Today's engines are smaller, more powerful, and get better gas mileage than their predecessors. You can have a 365 horsepower engine and still get 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This is accomplished using turbochargers to force feed more air into the engine and gasoline direct injection, or GDI, for more precise fuel delivery. In fact, most modern gasoline engines owe their incredible performance to GDI technology. Direct injection means the fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber. Air is drawn in from the intake and the air-fuel mix is ignited. Before direct injection, the fuel was sprayed into the backs of intake valves, and then the air-fuel mix would enter the combustion chamber together. Without that spray on the backs of valves, carbon builds up tremendously fast in GDI engines, causing GDI vehicle owners to notice significant performance loss within just 3,000 miles. Without proper maintenance, this carbon buildup will happen in every GDI engine. The BG Platinum Fuel System service removes deposits from injectors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber, including hard-to-reach places in the intake. Expect to notice an immediate improvement in performance and efficiency. And the BG Platinum Fuel System service comes backed by the lifetime BG Protection Plan at no extra charge. Keep your GDI advantage with the only service that works. Ask about the BG Platinum Fuel System service today.